When you see how my dress, you know why. But the back in the freezer. Ryanair. Can you see that? Ryanair. My airline. I own it. Yes?
Third line down.
Me and my partner in crime, right? One foot. We get some more sun in our body, you see it? Different day, different country. Espanol! Hola! Real chargy. I want my real chargy. Eh? Don't watch the people are pre. Live your life.
protege, well, Rototom, what you say, all protege and Chronic fans, make some noise. And then we tell them, said who knows, who knows, who knows. And I just go with the trend and go. I'm sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose that I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. And I provide all my wants and needs. I got this. Sing that, sing that, sing that, sing that. Hey, when we see ya, we see ya. Hey, just the ease out one more time. I mean, say it's a protege, well, hey, you've been singing all show, man. Again, and then we tell you, say who knows, who knows, who knows. And I just go where the trend will go. I'm sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose that I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. And to provide all my wants and needs. Rototom, if you please, right now, like this, like this. Hey, when we see ya, we see our way. Drastically straight from hypocrisy, I say, hey. Well, everyone to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then we read a job today, hey. In a city hungry and no heat, I put it on a country, just a drop off of the tree, them. You see, say poverty no real then, is what the reason we're feeling. Said who knows? Said who knows, who knows, who knows. And I just go where the trend will go. I sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose that I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. And I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. When the rain beats a pot on the roof, herb under steam, pepper pot on the stew. That is a dream, if you got gratitude. So go tell the regime, them can't stop where we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know? If you skillful, I want to hear you sing right now, let me hear you. And then we tell you who. Well, skillful, please. Hello. Leda.
Nothing wrong with it.
Skillful. Listen to me, Rototom. Chronics is all. Oh yeah, yeah, I be say Eastern. Yeah, Eastern. Free up the night. Rototom, let's hear you go. I be say Eastern. And we a tell them from me, Eastern. Free up the eye. Hey, well Rototom go so.
Go on, man. Do it. No. That's just the flash. Me turn on the flash permanently so I get the better picture. Walk like a dog and cock up and piss. Walk like a dog and cock up and piss. It was on video.
Are you ready to get lively? daughter in a petty fashion. Come on, be careful of that man. And let us take a dedication. Cause you know that we could use the sun motivation. Come on, la 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 la. Oh, come on now. Hey, watch out. So we say, people, are you ready?
How is Jamaican man share out with? First class, yeah, butterfly, do you know? I see our friend here go join her. See, man.
We don't need the lights, keep the lights low. And keep the fire burning in the front. When the enemies come to eat my flesh, they burn us from the light fall. Shall never feel like death. No, and when they come in other tens and thousands, they fall one by one. And every night spends time with song. Oh, Jaja Rantes, you're here. Jaja Rantes, we don't fear. Jaja Rantes and everything are nice. They keep high up in our perilous time. Jaja Rantes, you hear that? Hey, Jaja Rantes, everywhere. So keep it high and high. What in them thing? Here we go. Okay. Right now, let me hear you Rototom people. Everybody get some energy in the place. Who you say? Everybody. Say hey oh. Say oh oh. Say yo yo. Say ya ya ya. Say yaga yaga ya. Say yaga yaga ya. Wicked. Alright, I'm going to tell you a little story about how we got to Rototom Festival. The first thing we had to do was that we had to take a plane all the way from Mumbai, India, okay? This one is called Signal the Plane, people, because we've had to find an Air India flight flying high over us. Get ready for Signal the Plane, movement dancers. Are you ready for Signal the Plane right now? Everybody, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Signal the plane now, signal the plane. Signal the plane now, signal the plane. Signal the plane now, signal the plane. so look, the Air India flight we were on had a few technical difficulties. It happens, alright? We had to get off the plane, but we had parachutes. Okay, the next one is called parachute. Let's go. Movement dancers, here we go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Parachute now, parachute. Parachute now, parachute. Parachute now, parachute. Parachute now, parachute. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Okay, so we parachuted off of the plane into the Indian Ocean. But in the Indian Ocean, we still had to get to Beni Kassim. Okay? Luckily for us, there was a boat. So what we're gonna do with the boat? We're gonna row a boat around Africa and bring it all the way to Spain right now. This one is called Row the Boat. Movement dancers. Everybody, let's go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Row the boat now, row the boat. 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 Wicked and wild. That is row the boat. So we finally landed in Beni Kassim. And then you know what? Rototom, we're ready to rock the whole world, the whole Bumble Club world with you guys. Rock the world, let's go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Rock the world now, rock the world. 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 Yes, Rototom, come rock the world.
Yes, it's a energy, I like your word. Yes, it's a cool kid, I like your word.
I like the world.
Shakespeare, you not like your word.
I like the world.
Take a flight and go out, I like your word.
What?
Rock the world now.
Rock
the
it.
world now. Rock the world now. Rock the world now. Rock the world now. Rock the world now. Dancers are rock the world. Everybody go. Rock the world now. 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 Dancers are rock the world. Rice and peas, please. Rice and peas, please. Rice and peas, please. Cool kid, I show them the rice and peas. So what is that? So the gravy. Cool down, cook and look alike, them a share it.
What you want?
Rice and peas, please. Give me them, I show them the rice and peas. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Catch it down to them called breadfruit. Catch it down.
Dark right. Dark right.
Catch it down.
Dark right. Dark right.
Breadfruit. Girl in the bed of the bed. We don't know some man, no mommy. I feel clean like a pussy from the toe. Very new thing, everybody says something.
Make some noise for the movement dancers right now. I know you guys were just chilling and we made you work, but this is what it is. The family will say thank you. All right. Look, before I...
The boy girl walk out and a cry. She say the guy now if I rope high. She say I'm here try to put him a bike.